You add a vendor to the app. You're going to go to administration. You're going to go to vendor information. And then you are going to go to add button in the top right. You're going to choose whether they're a subcontractor or a vendor. The difference between the two is a subcontractor is somebody who is going to go to site to do work for us. A vendor is somebody who's going to provide us material to do the job. Now, sometimes you'll have both. They'll provide material and they'll go to site. So in those situations, you're going to want to choose subcontractor. So right now I'm going to be putting in Admar. So they are going to fall under vendor because they're providing us equipment, but they aren't going to physically have any techs on site to do any work for us. So you're just going to look the company's name up from Google, and if you have a contact for them, you will include that in there as well. So I'm just getting their address right now, and their address, when you look it up here, is 330. So company name is Admar. Oh, looks like they're already in there. Let me actually double check. I may be wrong on that. Oh, looks like you got added last week. All right, so never mind. So, but if basically what you're going to do, go through is just to get all your contacts, phone number, mobile, phone, office, their role. The difference between the roles are owner, sales, account receivable, technician, or admin. So most of the people that you would be adding would fall under the sales category. Your contact phone number. So basically you're just going to get from an email or their email signature. You'll get their mobile, their office, and you'll add their email. The contact for ST120 forms, if there is a particular person at their accounts receivable within their accounting department who gets the ST120 forms, you're going to add that there. Otherwise, you can just leave that blank and it's going to default to the vendor. If there's any minority status, right? So if this is a subcontractor and they're a supplier or a supplier or subcontractor, you're going to add that minority status there for them as well. And then you would just hit save, and then they would show up in this list right here. You can add multiple people per company. So if I wanted to add another contact, let's say, and you can look down here, you can use this search function to search everybody that works at a particular company. So this is KC. You can see we have actual multiple people here for under this company. And then it tells you what they do, each person's role at the company. And then if you go to the details, it gives you directions to the place. You can actually compose an email from here as well too. If you just click this, it'll open up the email. You could either call or text from the app as well for these. And that is how you use the vendor portal.